back again. So I've cleaned out this this center hole in the hub, and down here you can see, hopefully, yeah, the amount of muck that came out of there. So what we're going to do now is just spray some degreaser on this center hub here and let that soak in for a bit and give that a bit of a clean off. Don't use too much. And we'll let that sit for a while. Now, while that's sitting there, I'll flip the wheel over and you can have a look and see there's a lot more mud on this side of the wheel than on the previous. So once again, all I'm going to do is use this knife to scrape out this mud here. Just gently scrape at it and then we'll give it a dust off. So we get our brush and just give a bit of a dust off around here. And the next thing I'm going to do is apply some WD-40 to these 6 nuts around here that hold on the disc, because I'm going to remove the disc so that I can get a really good clean on the inside too. Now, what I find really good for just cleaning off small parts and bits that are hard to get to is just an old toothbrush. So I'm just using the old toothbrush here on this center spindle. I've put the degreaser on before and let it soak in a bit, and just clean that up with the old toothbrush, and then later on I'll clean it off with a rag. I'm doing my own filming at the moment because my cameraman got out on the terps last night and he's still sleeping it off. But when he comes to, maybe in a day or so, he'll be able to do the filming and it'll be a much better production. So bear with me. That's all for today. See ya.